Designed with the assistance of bike patrol officers across the country, the 511 Bike Polo and Patrol Short have been specifically tailored to provide maximum comfort and utility on bike patrol duty. Our bike polo is crafted from a proprietary fabric that maintains color even after prolonged exposure to sun or moisture, and incorporates both antimicrobial and moisture-wicking characteristics, keeping you dry, comfortable, and odor-free at all times. The gusseted underarms and drop tail increase range of movement, and the reinforced shoulder and mic loop at the collar keep your comm unit from rolling forward. Reflective striping encircles the chest for high visibility, and a pen pocket at the chest provides additional utility. The Patrol Short is a lightweight blend of nylon and spandex, providing fade and wrinkle resistance while retaining breathability and quick drying capability. The Action Waist non-slip waistband and gusseted crotch allow you to move freely, while zip closure rear pockets, roomy cargo pockets, and internal secondary pockets provide ample space for your accessories. In combination, the 511 Bike Polo and Patrol Short are the perfect apparel for bike patrol duty in any environment.